Are you having trouble with your video call on your Messenger app? If you are, then in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix video call problem on Messenger. Now, whether you cannot receive any call or cannot call any people on Messenger, the first thing that I suggest you to do is update your app of Messenger. Sometimes these problems caused by simple glitches, and the way that you can clear glitches from apps is to update them. So open up your Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and search for Messenger. If there are any new updates available, tap on update and update your app. Once you update the app, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the storage or data of your Messenger. If you're on an Android, you can just tap and hold the app and you'll see this eye icon. Just tap on it. If you're on an iOS, you'll need to open up the settings of your phone and then offload your app of Messenger. Through this section, just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Now what this is going to do is clear your cache and all of your data of your Messenger, which means you'll be logged out of your Messenger and you'll again need to log in. The second thing that you can do through this setting is tap on app permissions and tap on the camera option. If it is not set to allow, you just need to set it to allow. But even if it is set to allow, you can just tap on camera and set to deny first. You can head back and again tap on the camera option and set it to allow. This process sort of resets your camera of Messenger and could help you in solving the issue. Now once you do this process, try to see if this fixes the issue that you're having. If your issue is not still fixed, the last thing that you can try out is completely remove Messenger from your device, which means uninstall Messenger and then again reinstall it and try logging into your Messenger account, and this will help to fix your issues if there was any glitch which was causing the issue. The other thing that you can also do is try using the video call of Messenger through any other device than your own, such as if you have any other mobile device or have a desktop, try using the video call of Messenger through that interface. So those are the couple of steps that you can do. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.